What's up, everybody? It's Brent Senna here with Redfin, coming to you doing a new tour, new construction out here in Brighton. It's a little bit windy, so let me just back up here. You can see this beautiful home from the outside, and we'll go inside. That's where all the action's at. And again, out here in Brighton, and check out this new construction. This one's ready to go, move in, ready. 4-bed, 3-bath. Just over 2,600 square feet, 2-car garage, and yeah, they got some amazing incentives going. I believe just around 600K is where this one's at. But you walk in, you've got an office here right off to the right for some privacy, and then over here you've got a half bath and coat closet, and then walk in here and just huge living room, fireplace, tile around the fireplace. I mean, you could do living, you could probably do dining room over there. And they don't have this fenced off yet, but if you see back there, pretty decent sized backyards. A lot of folks say, oh, new construction doesn't have very big yards, which is somewhat true, but this one does. Looks like quartz countertops, farm sink. Obviously, with new construction, you've got brand new appliances. Doesn't look like it comes with the fridge. Then back here, kind of like a mud room, pantry, and the garage. And you've got enough room to do some storage and stuff. Oh, look like it's wired for sprinklers. All right, let's head up. And there's quite a few homes over here. This is, oh, forgot this little under the stairs, maybe storage type area. But this is farm lore out here in Brighton, like 144th-ish. There's 3 developers or builders out here, so I'll show some of those other videos later. But your price kind of mid-4s to over 6. So you come up here to this room. I don't know, you can do whatever in the secondary living room, playroom type of thing. Let's hit these rooms first. So over here, you'll have your laundry and pretty spacious there. Linen maybe closet there. Then here you've got your tankless water heater, so that's a nice upgrade. And then 1 bedroom here. And this one's pretty spacious. Pretty spacious. And let's see, all right, we'll hit bedroom number 2. And roughly about the same size. Oh, real quick, if you can see that barn there is for the community, and they're going to, I guess, put it to a vote to let the folks decide what to do or put in there. They're having a lot of these community centers type stuff, so could be like a coffee shop or, I don't know, open space. They're going to let the folks that live here decide. So this bedroom, 3rd bedroom, is a little bit larger than the first 2. And then you got a full bath here. And then we'll hit the primary. And this one's super spacious. I mean, you could fit anything in here. California King, any furniture. It's wired for ceiling fan, light fixtures, and then you've got your own private bath. Got your walk-in closet, fairly large, and the bath. And you've got the stand-in shower, full tub, dual sinks. So yeah, this one's sitting here, it's ready to go. Give me a buzz if you're interested in touring over here. Again, there's 3 developers. I think there's some townhomes over here too. I'll have videos of all of those. They're offering amazing incentives as usual. Lower interest rates. Interest rates are still kind of around 7%. I believe these are quite a bit lower than that. So stay tuned for some other videos and reach out with questions. Thanks.